Okay, it's ready. Oh! Hey y'all, it's me P and I'm back with another video. And today we are making
Button
and cookies, but that's in the other video. So this is another video, y'all, because we about to make popcorn and we about to watch Hocus Pocus 2. We doing that in another video, so if y'all want to see that video and all of the treats we made, but we all gonna do this separate.
Yeah, look,
We went to the grocery store.
Hello.
Yeah, all that is in that other vlog. But right now we about to do popcorn from popcorn kernels. We never did this before. So we got the oil and the popcorn kernels. This is the pot I'm going to use. And we're gonna see how. Let's start the video now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna set the phone right here.
We got our chair.
Excuse all the stuff in the background. Y'all saw it in the other video. I still ain't figure out what to do with it yet. So, anyways, let me see if Leah wants to come because she keep. Leah said she didn't say that, but clearly her stuff is more important. Okay, so it says yellow popcorn. This is a great value brand, y'all. Put enough oil in the bottom of a heavy saucepan. I don't know why they say saucepan. I usually see it in the saucepan, but I'm gonna put it in this pot, this gumbo pot. 1/8 inch heat on a medium high. After one kernel drop into hot oil pot. That's when you add enough popcorn to cover the bottom of the pan with a single layer. Cover and shake completely until popped, salt and butter to taste. So another thing I'm gonna do right now is melt some butter. I got a half a stick right here I can melt. Let's see. What y'all doing? So I'm gonna have my butter on standby. Okay, so I'm about to put my butter in the microwave, y'all. 30 seconds. And get my salt. I don't have like all of the popcorn seasons and stuff. This just so happened to come about. I wasn't thinking about doing that. So 1/8 of an inch. So y'all can see about how much. That's what I'm gonna put. And medium heat. Watch your fingers and stuff, Riley. And
I'm done.
use the other side.
He makes it popcorn. It's a pop. Put it in there yet? Cut.
I didn't. Oh, it smells like it's about to burn, y'all.
What is it?
Let me hurry up and start dropping them.
What is it?
All right, I'm gonna drop one first. Nothing happened. Why the pot? Nothing happened. It's smoking though. Why is not popping?
I don't know.
But it's smoking. like they're about to pop. Leah, it's gonna rise up. You gonna see it. It's nothing happening yet. You heard it? Let me see. Oh, it did pop. Okay, it's ready. Oh! Okay. Let me get you this. It says shake the pot. Yeah. What my other glove? Leah, get off her chair. What you doing? They burning. I might have to run it back. Hold up. I'm not crying. Okay. Let me see. Why is it not popping?
I don't know.
Is it not hot enough? I don't want to burn them.
Well, maybe it's not cold enough. Maybe the opposite.
Oh, wait. There you go.
It's on the
It wasn't hot enough.
It's on the pop.
Let me show y'all. It's popping, Shamari.
You did the low door wow.
You'll see.
It's popping. Oh my God.
Alright, let me shake the pot because they see that just to help it, I guess.
That's so cool.
Yeah, we're going to
You
watch
need some popcorn, watch what you do. You're gonna have some of my gummy bears.
That's so cute.
Maybe you need to turn the clock and you'll do it. But I see popping. Guys, this is so cool. This is happening on a Friday? Yeah, Friday. This is a normal. Mom, we have to show. Mom, this is like Friday.
It sounds like a fire drill.
Go.
That's filling up that pot. I only put a little bit in there.
Oh
The whole pot is filling up.
God. So Samori, show her. The whole pot is all
Your
white.
grandma Shawana said use a big pot.
I'll just open it.
I think it's almost done.
Yes, almost done. Don't open it.
Let me turn it on. That's a lot. I think that's enough.
Wait, but you don't need the pot. Whoa!
Wow.
I want to see it. Yeah. It's just popping. Mom is so popping. My mom's phone got to go dead. Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna put the butter, y'all. This is the melted butter. I think I should shake it around and add some. I like a lot of put this much so I don't put too much. I don't put too little either. Salt. Putting some salt and butter on the popcorn. It looks good, y'all. We made popcorn. Oh, everybody, y'all gotta taste it. We didn't even think about tasting it. Okay. It's good.
Everybody ready to go to the movie theater?
that's the end of this video. We made popcorn from the popcorn part. And look how much I made, y'all. This much. Made a whole pot. So, highly recommend it.
So, then we don't watch our movie.
And so, don't forget to watch y'all.
Like and subscribe and enjoy the channel.
See y'all in the next vlog.
Bye.
She said she heard her breath.
Right here. Hey, not doing that. The popcorn right there. Look this way. No, the popcorn. First, you have to put on the movie. Just